સમાચારમાં વધીએ તો આઈસીઆઈસીઆઈ પ્રુડેન્શિયલ એએમસીના એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ ડિરેક્ટર અને સીઆઈઓ એસ નરેને આજે નેટવર્ક સાથે ખાસ વાતચીત કરી હતી. તેમનું કહેવું છે કે માર્કેટ જ્યારે શિખર પર હોય ત્યારે રોકાણકારોએ સતર્ક રહેવું જોઈએ.
Today markets are not cheap, and I call it the central bank bull market, the global central bank bull market, because what they have done is just put so much money into the markets that you see the just markets going up and up and up. And along with that, now you see lot of things also going up, like oil, gas, metals, many of their commodities going up. It's time that actually investors allocate money more carefully from here, at least, because we have had bad experiences in 2007. We have had bad experiences in 1999. So I think we have to learn from those bad experiences, that investors at all-time highs have to be more careful. 2021, bulk of the savings went into debt. And they went into cash, they went into debt. Whereas now, as we speak, when you look at it, it appears that all the money is coming into equities. You look at the open interest in stock futures, I think it has hit all-time high. From my learnings, I believe that it is impossible to predict the ultimate top or predict the ultimate bottom. And no one knows the ultimate top. The ultimate top may be 80,000, maybe 70,000, maybe 60,000. But I think that investors have to recognize that they should do asset allocation from here and not recognize that they should do only equities from here. I think that's what we are trying to say. We are not saying that you have to be cautious, that we think that markets are going to go down from 60,000 or anything like that, because we also don't know that. As a contrarian, I believe that gradually you should invest in China, because I believe that China has done so badly compared to all other global equity markets that, a fund of fund scheme investing in China, at least partially, has a better chance of delivering returns, because at least China has done so badly, unlike other markets in the world. And I am a big believer that over the medium term is when the risk can play out of global interest rates than at any point of time. And that's why we have always believed that investors from here on have to be asset allocation focused.